Sudoku friends, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 16th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 2-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. Binary puzzle number 6605. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no dano. 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 Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. And double 1, here no dano. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we need to think. We have here 3 1s. If I place the 4th here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And the final one, 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finished in 3 minutes. Well. We solved it again without comparing. Yes. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.